Ever tried making a proper stir-fry at home only to end up with soggy vegetables, uneven heat, and food that sticks no matter how much oil you use? It usually feels like the pan is fighting against you instead of helping you cook. That's exactly the frustration the Sumeiguan 13.5-inch carbon steel wok is trying to solve. Right away, this wok feels like a serious cooking tool rather than a lightweight kitchen gadget. The carbon steel construction gives it a solid, slightly industrial feel, but it's still light enough to handle comfortably while cooking. The pre-seasoned surface is one of the first things you notice, especially if you've dealt with traditional woks that require a long seasoning process before they become usable. The nitriding treatment is one of the key upgrades here. Instead of worrying about rust after a few uses, the surface feels more protected right out of the box. It's not just about durability on paper, but in real kitchen use, it means less maintenance stress and more time actually cooking. For beginners, especially, that makes a big difference because it removes one of the most intimidating parts of carbon steel cookware. The deep sides give you enough space to actually toss ingredients without spilling them everywhere. If you've ever tried stir-frying in a shallow pan, you know how quickly things can turn messy. Here, you get enough room to move food around properly, which makes a noticeable difference in texture and flavor. In real-world cooking, this wok performs best when the heat is high and cooking is fast. Vegetables stay crisp, meats sear properly, and sauces reduce quickly without turning watery. That's the kind of performance you want from a wok, and it becomes very noticeable once you get used to the cooking style it encourages. The wooden handle is another thoughtful detail. It stays cooler than metal handles, which makes a big difference when you're cooking at high heat for longer periods. It also feels more secure in the hand, especially when you're tossing food or shifting the pan quickly. Combined with the sturdy construction, it gives a sense of control that cheaper woks often lack. Cleanup is fairly straightforward, but it's important to understand what you're getting into. This is not a non-stick coated pan, so you can't treat it like one. You'll need to rinse, dry, and lightly oil it after use to maintain the surface. Once you build that habit, it becomes second nature, and in return, you get a cooking surface that improves over time rather than wearing out. One thing to note is that it does require a bit of learning if you're new to carbon steel cooking. Heat control matters more here than with non-stick pans. If you rush or overcrowd the pan, you can lose some of that ideal stir-fry texture. But once you adjust, the results are noticeably better than standard cookware. Compared to other woks in the same category, especially cheaper non-stick versions, this Sumeiguan model stands out because it prioritizes heat performance and durability over convenience coatings. Some premium carbon steel woks may offer slightly more refined finishes, but they often don't include the same complete set with lid and spatula, which adds real value here. Overall, this wok is best suited for home cooks who want to move beyond basic frying pans and start cooking more authentic stir-fry dishes. It's also a great option for anyone who enjoys experimenting with different cooking styles like steaming, deep frying, or even outdoor cooking setups. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.